We have American coffee.
There's so many people.
That is also, it's also different because the base is one espresso. So the machine makes one espresso shot and then adds hot water.
Okay, but now as soon, okay, let's say for instance, I have one in one location.
Okay.
And that one location, and whenever the bean is finished or the product is
Okay,
finished.
okay.
So who's gonna bring this product back?
Okay, at the installation, you leave them some cases of product. Then you train somebody in the location to clean the machine and to refill it.
Okay.
That's why you visit them once a week or twice a week or every other week. At the beginning, I recommend to do it every week. You have to go there and see how they are cleaning the machine, how they are doing the machine. It's your machine. It's your $6,000 that you have there.
Right.
So you have to be sure that they are taking care of the machine. You know. But after that you are sure that they are doing the right job. See, yes.
So that means a bit of business like that, I can see the future. But what I'm saying, so that's the discount we receive when we purchase 8.
So what we did,
You have what?
That's the discount we receive when we purchase 8 with franchising.
we do a big survey.
Yes, yeah, that's what you receive. You receive the 5 years agreement, the territory exclusive for you, and the technical support. It's not the same than buying the machine by internet. You don't get anything but the machine. In this case, you get the support, the technical support. In the training, we train you or the person that you hold, how to fix it.
Yeah.
Look at the espresso of the machine.
What the percentage is, what they're looking for, capital cons, staffing.
Excuse me, just
That's the
a quick-
macchiato?
That's the espresso,
Espresso?
of this machine. Look at
That's
that.
nice.
Oh yeah, it's nice.
Look at the crema.
Yeah?
Like it? This is the espresso of that machine.
Yes, beautiful.
Look at that.
Oh my
That's the
God,
crema.
Gorgeous. Gorgeous. So it's so smooth. So the beans from Venezuela,
No, from Italy.
Italy.
Everything comes from Italy. Not me. The machine, the bill. Me, I am from yeah. Excuse me, Alicia. Look at the espresso.
Okay.
That's how the machine makes the espresso.
Oh, that'll have me up all
You
night.
see that? That's how the machine makes the espresso. Ah, amazing. That's the crema. That's the crema of the coffee. Let me show it. Humberto. Mira cómo la máquina hace el espresso.
Perfecto para con la leche bien calientita tirarse el varita.
Eso es correcto. Are you ready for the macchiato?
Sure. Then I gotta go to work. I'm from Puerto Rico. Thank you. It's good to see you.
We'll continue coming, through Randolph. Yeah, this
Yeah.
one. Through Randolph, we can,
Yeah,
any
absolutely.
question, anything.
Yeah.
But we could even schedule a demo in some place like that you mentioned now, so you can,
Yeah.
okay?